Check it out, finally got my very first official camera. What's going on, everyone? Josh Quinones here, and yes, I finally got my very first ever camera for this YouTube channel, and I have been super excited for this. This is the brand new Sony ZV-1. I have literally watched tons of videos on this camera right here. Now I know it does have its flaws here and there, but I have been super excited for this camera. Like I just said, this is my very first ever, and I mean ever, this is my very first ever camera. Now, before I get more into this, for those of you that don't know, maybe this is your first time to the channel, this whole channel has been built off of a smartphone. All of my videos are known for being recorded and edited on a smartphone. I don't own a laptop. I don't own an official, just a regular camera that's not a phone. Well, now I do, but besides that, everything before this video was all recorded on this whatever smartphone it was that I had at that time, and then all edited on a smartphone and uploaded straight to YouTube. So I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little weird for me now that I finally have an official camera, because I am so used to doing everything on my smartphone. It has been super convenient for me, honestly, because I can just record whatever it is I'm recording, start editing right there on the spot, and then record a little more. I can edit a little more throughout my day, and then when it's ready, just upload it straight to YouTube. So this is something that I have been used to for a very long time. And believe it or not, the way that I have been doing things on this channel, just everything done on my smartphone, has actually inspired a whole lot of people to get started with their YouTube channel, because there's a lot of people out there that feel they can't really get started on a channel unless they have an expensive camera, an expensive microphone, lighting, when in reality, you don't really need all that to get started with your channel. The only thing you need is whatever smartphone it is you have in your pocket at that time. Get this out of your pocket, get up and start creating videos, because this is all you need to get started. And that's one thing that I have really been proud of when it comes to my channel. I know I don't have the biggest subscriber count when it comes to the channel. I don't get the most views, but when people see that I record all of my videos on my phone and edit all of them on my phone, they get inspired and they get hyped up to start creating too. And that's one thing that I am very proud of. So for anybody watching this that still doesn't have a camera, that still doesn't have the perfect lighting or microphone, I encourage you just to get up and start creating with whatever camera it is you have in your pocket right now, which is your smartphone. Unless you do have an official camera like this one right here, then start using that right away. But enough about all of that. I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna miss it, because it can be very convenient just recording, editing on the spot. Now I am going to continue editing videos on my smartphone, whether it's this one or my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is what I'm recording on right now. I am going to continue editing my videos on my smartphone because I still don't own a laptop, but you know, this is one step closer to improving the content on this channel. Finally got an official camera, so I don't have to use my smartphone anymore. Now, while I do like using my smartphone, the one thing that is kind of hard, or kind of makes things a little bit harder, is I like using the rear facing camera, because quality is always the best. Now, when I use the rear facing camera, I can't see myself. I can't see if I'm in frame or not, so I'm constantly having to set up the phone, try to get it right, come sit down, do a little test record, go back, see if I'm in frame. If I'm not, I gotta adjust it a little bit, and I am tired of doing that. With this camera right here, we have a flip out screen where I can see myself. I can literally just set up the camera like this, and I got that flip out screen right there so I can see myself. All I gotta do is just set it up once, hit record, and I am ready to go. That is one thing that really excites me about this camera. And not only that, you know what, actually, let's go ahead and start recording with it right now. Boom, so here we are now recording our very first official video on the channel with an actual camera that is not a smartphone, the brand new Sony ZV-1, and I absolutely am loving this so far, because now I can see myself. I can see myself right there, make sure I'm in frame, make sure my head's not out of frame. That's one thing that I didn't like about using a smartphone when it comes to using the rear cameras to record face shots like this. I had to make sure the camera was always high enough or tilted high enough, because I was always constantly cutting off my head, so I had to keep going back and forth to try to fix it. And now I can see myself right there. And another thing that I absolutely love about this camera is this right here. I want to talk about a phone, I'm reviewing a phone, I want to show it to you guys without having it just focus on my face and it won't even focus on the object that I'm trying to show you guys. Well, look at this. Boom. It'll focus back to my face. Show it up here, I can put it to the side. It's still going to focus on this phone and not my face, because this is the project showcase mode on this camera, and it is definitely going to come in handy for this channel with all the phones that I review, earbuds, whatever it is I'm reviewing. If I want to talk to you guys like this with the camera and just show you guys, hey, this is what we're talking about today. Boom, look at that. This is it right here. I don't have to worry about it trying to focus on my face. It knows what I'm doing. It's going to focus on the product that I am reviewing. And this is one of the features that I was most excited about with this camera. And besides that, what do you guys think about the quality? Currently recording in 4K. What do you think about this compared to what I was recording on, which was my Note 10 Plus? Let me know what you guys think down in the comment sections below. Also, let me know what you think about the audio. I am using the internal mics on the camera itself. I do have the little windscreen up there. So the internal mics compared to this mobile photo mic that I was using for my smartphone, which one do you think sounds better? Now, of course, I will be doing more comparisons when it comes to this camera and whatever smartphone it is I have, to see if it was really worth it to go out and get this camera, or if I should have just stuck to using my smartphone. But you guys let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I am loving this so far. It just, honestly, it feels kind of weird. I am not used to seeing a regular camera right here in front of me. I'm sorry if I'm smiling a lot, because I am just super excited that I finally have a camera, the Sony ZV-1. Let's test out a little vlogging. You know what? I got my little vlogging tripod right here. Let's go ahead and put it on the camera and see what it's like. All right, so I have made my way outside, as you can see here. Just kind of wanted to do a little vlog style test real quick, just to see what it is like. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. I am loving it so far, really loving this flip out screen. If you're interested in the vlogging kit that I'm using right now, I'll make sure to link it down in the description below. It is by Movo Photo. Now, one cool feature I like about this camera is this defocus mode. So if I just press this button up here at the top left, look at that, it blurs out the background for me while still keeping me in focus, giving it that nice professional look. Look at that. Let me see if I can get some of the trees here. Look at that, defocusing everything in the background. Really love this feature. Like I said, gives it a nice professional look. I think I'm gonna keep it like that for now. Now, this isn't a full official review for this camera. I will be doing that after I have used it for some time to really give you guys my thoughts. This was just more of a first impressions video, and being able to share this moment with you guys, getting my first very official dedicated camera for the channel. So no more full-time recording with a smartphone. Like I said, I will be using it here and there, but for the most part, full-time, it's going to be this new Sony ZV-1. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Are you as excited as I am to see the quality improve on this channel? I know I am super excited, and I think it's about time to start upping the game in quality when it comes to the videos on this channel. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Thank you so very much for watching and sharing this special moment with me. If you did like this video, leave a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. But for now, thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.